Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is my new sketch for this afternoon. I tried something new, and that was having hands cupped in, cupping the head. So she was actually leaning forward, but I didn't actually get the rest of the body, obviously. It was just the head and gesturing where the hands would be. So all three were good speed. I did use the whole 4 minutes for the first one. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please let me know. The second one was 3.5 minutes, as well as the third one. I did try different ways of drawing this sketch each time, purely just to see if it made any difference and if it was easier to draw it that way. The first two were relatively similar. I would start off with the head and face shape, and then put slight lines across where, or dots where, the different features would be. And the third one, I actually started with drawing, crossing out the sections where, and applying the layout where the features would be. I couldn't get that out, sorry. Where the features would be. I believe number 1 is actually the closest to the original reference photo. If you'd like to see more and actually see me actually drawing, please let me know. I can try and arrange that for you. I'm really happy with the results of my learning method, applying it to my artwork. I'm gradually gaining more and more speed and more confidence, and being able to see where different lines should be instead of having loads of mistakes and different things like that. So let me know what you think. Bye!